Lately, there's been a lot of talk about privilege and how lives matter. However, we can't talk about privilege without recognizing disenfranchisement that exists across all segments of our population. People are being stripped of their dignity, their self-worth and purpose in our society. We have to hold corporations and political systems accountable to some degree. Greed has always been a poison to civilization. Greed will destroy a thriving manufacturing community and relocate overseas, where virtual slave labor can afford more profit. Devastation and inhumanity mean nothing to greed. It's like a cancer that is only concerned about its own increase, unaware of the destruction of the host on which it depends. Greed will cause a man to murder in order to increase material gain. Greed will make a person use faith in the Creator as a tool to increase his own material possessions at the expense of even the poorest of the faithful. Greed will stifle creativity if it is seen as competition. It will gorge itself on conflict, taking advantage of every opportunity to profit from it. Greed is unquenchable. The only solution is to awaken. This is not an issue of whiteness or coloredness, a concept that was established in 1690 to control the labor population. This is an issue of spiritual growth, the recognition and respect for our oneness, our basic humanity. We must acknowledge our faults and face our demons, knowing that we have the ability to eliminate them. Most of all, we have to stop being greedy, starting from the top. We're the United States of America. We surely can do this.